Yep, we're back, guys. What's up, my peeps? I know it's been a minute since I last made a video, and I want to go ahead and give you an update on the ElectroCulture. Now, here in Texas, it's hot. It's hot, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot. And the pictures that I'm showing you now is gonna be of my fig trees. These guys are tropical plants and they're getting beat up by the heat. But there is something very interesting that I want you to take a look at. Very, very interesting, and I want to know what your opinion is. Now, let me go ahead and show you some of these intricate details, and I know it kind of looks like a hodgepodge. You see how the stem and everything is, that's that sun damage here. But, and there's our little guy right there. But even though they're getting sun damage, what's so crazy is they're still having a whole bunch of new leaf production all over the place. A bunch of new nodes all over the place. And I think we might be looking at a battle going on within the plant, because you can see the sun damage, but you can also see the growth that continues to happen. Now that's our small guy. Look at that one, all in there. He's still growing, and the tips are getting burned off. You know, look at my little sunflowers. They're getting burnt off by this Texas heat. And so here's our big one. We still have new growth right here within there. New growth in there. New nodes over there. And so these guys right here, he's still doing pretty good. He's still growing. But we've taken a lot of sun damage over the summer, but they are still growing. Look at all our new nodes. New nodes right there, guys. All up and down the trunk here. New nodes. Yeah. So I'm going to take you to go and look at the crepe myrtles. These guys are really doing well. Pretty much no damage, and we're about to see some flower production. Come on, check it out. So you remember our friend right here, this was the first one, and this is the one that took some damage because he was like really, really tall. And now this guy right here is just growing up. These are hybrid crepe myrtles, before anyone says anything. These are gonna be black ones. You can go back and take a look at the whole video. But they're still growing pretty good. Let's come and take a look at the biggest one of all. See, he has these little flower pods about to pop open any day now. And I'll show you guys that. I really do think that you should see the contrast between the flowers. It's bright red with this black. Really, really cool. And here is the last one here. He has some flower pods popping out, right? Really, really nice. Hey, and there's a little guy right there. There he goes. So guys, and so what I see happening is that the copper rod, it is helping. It's keeping the roots healthy, even though things are going on the surface of the plant. The roots are staying healthy. They are growing healthy. And as a result, you can see that the new growth is still coming in, even though there's still some sun damage here in Texas and all the other sort. So again, if you want one of these ElectroCulture rods, hit your boy up and I'll be more than happy to help you. Look, I appreciate you guys stopping by. You could have been anywhere, chose to spend some time with me, and I love it and I appreciate it. You guys can do anything you want to do. You know why? Because KP said so, man. Y'all have a good day.